Hi, I'm going to be making the air fry oyster today. I have 16 ounce oyster, but I'm not going to using the whole thing. I'm going to air fry some of it. And all you need is the cornstarch, an egg, and the pancake breadcrumb. That's all. And also I use salt and white pepper. And first of all, I'm going to wash the oyster first because oyster has a lot of sand in it, so you have to wash really well. Rinse it a little bit. And that is still not good enough, so I need to put it in here, put more water in it. And you can see the sand in it, a lot of it. And remove it. And you can see the sand right there all over, you see? See a lot of sand in it. So I need to wash a few more times. See, now it's nice and clean. Okay, then I'm gonna put a paper towel in it. I'm not going to be air frying the whole thing. I'm going to do some of it. So I'm going to be put a paper towel on it to make sure they are dry well. So I'm going to do six of them. So I'm going to sprinkle some salt. And the white pepper. Then I turn it over another side. Then I sprinkle some salt and pepper again. First of all, I'm going to put it in the cornstarch. Then I dip it into the egg and the breadcrumb. Okay, before I put it in the air fryer, I would like to spray some oil in it. They're going to be the last one. I'm going to turn on a 400 because I'm not going to reheat, so I'm going to do 12 minutes. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, the 12 minutes up, so I'm going to turn it over to the other side. Okay, there's another 6 minutes up. And I put a little green onion on top of it.